Okay, so for question C, we're looking at a question that using an ADS diagram, explain why tightened monetary policy may have slowed down the inflation and slowed the economic growth. Okay, I would say this question is an easy question. So, why is it? Okay, so we have to know that what is the tightened monetary policy. So basically, there is a thing that is called a demand side policy. And this demand side policy can be classified into fiscal and monetary, which means one is manipulated by the central bank and another one is altered by their government. Okay, and for monetary policy, it refers to the change in interest rate and a change in money supply. Okay, so this is what we call the demand side policy, but what is a tightened monetary policy? This tightened means contractionary. So contractionary demand side policies means they want to lower the aggregate demand. So what should we do is to increase the interest rate and to lower the money supply. All right. So why is it? Because after we raise the interest rate, it means the cost of borrowing will also rise, and then the C, which is the consumption expenditure, and the I, which is the investment expenditure, will then decrease. So as a result, the aggregate demand, which has the components of C and I, will therefore decrease. So now we can draw a diagram. So just remember, an ADS diagram has the y-axis of average price level, and then the x-axis is the real GDP. Okay, so for the y-axis, instead of the average price level, someone will say it is a general price level. So basically, they are just the same. So in this case, after the government has imposing the tightened monetary policy, the aggregate demand will shift to the left. As you can see, their average price level will drop, and then the real GDP will also drop. So here we can see why it says that it slowed down the inflation, because the price level has dropped, and then why we say that there is a slowed economic growth, because the real GDP has dropped. Okay, so what is the linkage between the real GDP and the economic growth? Actually, the economic growth refers to increase in real GDP or increase in potential GDP. So which means whenever the real GDP drops, it slowed down the economic growth. Okay, that's it.